Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the demo account of PocketOption. In PocketOption, you have access to the demo account both before and after registration. The demo account is exactly like the real account, but with some limitations, such as the social trading section and tournaments being inactive in the demo account. In the demo account, you can learn new strategies without the risk of losing your money. In the demo account, the minimum amount of money you can have is $50,000. And friends, to simply and easily top up your demo account, you just click on Quick Trading Demo, then enter the desired amount from this section, and then click on the button labeled Add to proceed with the transaction and complete the process. And as you can see, money has been added to our demo account. The demo account is for training purposes, which is why withdrawals from the demo account are not possible. Good luck.